Hello, how to be a realtor and how confidence can be faked. Hello all, welcome to our channel on how to be a realtor. It's Gregory Martire. Today we're talking about how confidence can be faked. So this is not a lesson in method acting, although I would love if one of those big movie productions would come here and sweep me off my feet, make me a deal, make me an offer I couldn't refuse. But seriously, confidence can be faked. And I'm not saying to be fake or to act like you know something when you don't know, but pretending you're sure when you're not sure is okay. Again, there's a fine line of, I'm not saying lie or give false information. We definitely don't want to do that. But being confident when you don't know something is hugely, hugely effective. People will respect that. I don't know the answer, but I'll find out. I'm confident I don't have that information for you, but I'm just as confident that I'll get it. Maybe you're talking about tax assessments. Maybe they're talking about something going on with a roof. Maybe they're talking about something in the paperwork that you're asking them to sign and you don't know. Be confident and be sure of yourself, and they'll respect you in the morning and in the afternoon and at night. Anyway, I'm confident, and I'm not faking it, that you'll be a great asset if you would hit subscribe and leave a comment here. Hit that thumbs up and hit that bell notification. We do put out a lot of epic content here every week. Be glad to have you a part of it. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great day, everybody.